Hi everyone, welcome to day 29 of 30 Faces in 30 Days. I know I've done a couple portraits already with my Lola DOTSPEN, the electric pen, and I said that I wanted to try it and add watercolors to it, so that's what I wanted to do today. So I tried not to be too detailed with the DOTSPEN, not making the shadows too dark because I knew I was going to add darker watercolors in those areas. And then when I was done putting all the dots on, I made sure that the ink was dry. And so to do that, I used a hair dryer because if I just let it air dry, it would take forever, probably a day or so. I wanted to do the portrait in one day, so that's why I tried that. And for a few minutes, I had my hair dryer on high and it seemed to work. So I wanted to keep the watercoloring very simple. I didn't want it to be all over the portrait, just so that it would look very soft on the face. And I like the colors that I picked, but I think it didn't work the way I wanted it to work. Meaning that it doesn't look as soft as I expected, and it's probably because I put way too many dots everywhere. So I think that whenever I use the DOTSPEN with watercolor, I need to be careful and not overdo it. I think I need to find a happy medium between the amount of dots that I put on the paper and the watercolor. So maybe next time I should try to paint a portrait with just watercolors, not too detailed, just very light washes, and then add the dots, because then I'll know how much to add, and I don't think I'll add as much as I did today. In any case, it's just a matter of practice and figuring it out. And since I'm having a lot of fun with this pen, I'm definitely going to figure out at some point, because I'm definitely going to use it again pretty soon. So while I'm not quite happy with the result, because that's not what I had in my head, I think it still looks nice. And I'm super happy that the ink from the DOTSPEN is waterproof, because I'll be able to achieve so much with it. And what I have in mind also is flowers. I think stippling flowers and adding watercolors to them would look really cool. So I'm going to have to try that. But for today, thank you all for stopping by. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow for the very, very last day of the challenge. And then I'll be able to sleep a little bit. Bye-bye.